In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cloudflare in Chrome. This process will enhance your online privacy by using Cloudflare's fast and secure DNS. So, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once you find it, simply double-click the icon to launch the browser. When Chrome opens, you will see a clean interface ready for you to explore. This step is crucial because accessing the settings is the foundation for enabling Cloudflare. You want to ensure Chrome is up and running smoothly before moving forward. Next, click the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. This menu is often referred to as the More icon. When you click on it, a drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, select Settings. This action opens a new tab dedicated to Chrome settings where you can customize various features. Knowing how to navigate this menu is important because it leads you to the settings that control your browser's security and privacy. From there, select Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. This section is designed to help you manage your browsing data and secure your experience online. Once you click on it, you will see several options related to privacy. Following this step ensures that you are focusing on the right area of Chrome settings, which is essential for making the necessary adjustments for Cloudflare. Now, click on Security. This option will take you deeper into the privacy settings. Here you will find various security features to protect your browsing experience. After clicking Security, you will notice a section dedicated to DNS settings. This is where the magic happens, so it's key to pay attention. Not only does this help secure your browsing, but it also opens up options for using DNS over HTTPS. Next up, scroll down until you find the option that says Use Secure DNS. Once you locate it, turn this option on. You will see a toggle switch that you need to click. When you enable this feature, Chrome will start using secure DNS services, which helps protect your DNS queries from potential eavesdropping. This is a vital step because it ensures that your DNS requests are encrypted, enhancing your overall online privacy. After that, under the With section, choose Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. This option should appear in a drop-down menu once you enable secure DNS. By selecting Cloudflare, you are telling Chrome to use their DNS service, which is known for being fast and reliable. This change is significant because it helps improve your browsing speed and security at the same time. If Cloudflare isn't listed, you'll need to choose Custom instead. This option allows you to enter a specific DNS over HTTPS provider URL. Type in Cloudflare's URL, which is 1.1.1.1. This manual entry is important because it guarantees that your DNS queries are routed through Cloudflare regardless of the default options available. This change in DNS provider to Cloudflare is beneficial for more private and encrypted DNS lookups. It's essential to understand that this step does not install Cloudflare warp or proxy your internet traffic. It merely enhances your DNS queries. With these settings adjusted, you will enjoy a more secure browsing experience. Now that you have completed all the steps, you can close the Settings tab. Chrome will automatically save your changes. You can proceed to browse with enhanced privacy and security. Remember, these adjustments are a great way to protect your online presence without complicating your browsing experience. Thank you for following along and enjoy your secure browsing with Cloudflare in Chrome.